Well, the weather deck has dried out here this evening. A lot of leftover debris from all of that wind overnight, but we did get at least a little more much needed rain. What's ahead for the rest of your holiday weekend? Warmer weather ahead. And that's why the 13 weather ball is red. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. You can tell where the clouds and the showers hung on a little bit longer today, where highs were only in the mid and upper 40s and 51 here in Grand Rapids. If we do not go above 51 this evening, that will be our coldest May 28th afternoon on record. To the north, where there was some sunshine, mid and upper 50s, even 60 for a high in Ludington. We forecast a high of 52 today, and that was 1 degree of our forecast high. We're perfect on Fridays here in the past month or so, and look at that temperature departure. That's a dark blue way over there on the right. One of our coldest temperatures. It wasn't that long ago. We were in the mid 80s, including on the 13th with 86. We're looking at lots of cloud cover over the area right now, but there's been good sunshine off to the north. All the rain has pretty much moved off to the south and east of us. Might be a sprinkle of rain coming through the Chicagoland area down through South Bend here this evening, but will stay dry as high pressure builds on in across the area. I hate it when the pollen's out here this afternoon and this evening. Other than that, those northeast winds are going to bring down that chilly air overnight tonight. Upper level winds are taking that storm system and the cold air with it to the east. We're going to start to warm up through the holiday weekend. And then there's a chance of some showers and storms. That will be long about Thursday into Friday, but next week it's going to get really warm. By the following Monday, we may see temperatures warming up to near 90 degrees, but you can see very little chance of rain until we get into next Thursday, as we precipitation amounts get up to around ½ an inch, and then we'll dry out for the upcoming weekend. Long range outlook. Here we go, back to warmer than average temperatures all the way from the west coast all the way into the Great Lakes region. This is from June 12th through the 25th. Our average highs are in the upper 70s and low 80s. We may be close to 90. And because of that storm track being just to our north, there's also a chance that we could see a little bit higher chances for more precipitation. That's from the 12th through the 25th. Forecast, though, for tomorrow, after a chance of frost up to the north, we'll see temperatures recover nicely. Mid 60s around Ludington and Hart. Could be 70 in Muskegon here tomorrow. Up north, mid 60s along US 10. Upper 60s here in Fremont and Greenville with plenty of sunshine. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be up into the mid 60s here during the day tomorrow. Winds will be a bit brisk out of the northeast, but nonetheless, this is a lot better than we have seen. 13 on your side forecast. Dry throughout the entire holiday weekend. We'll start with morning sunshine on Sunday before the high clouds move in. Mostly cloudy but dry on Monday, and you can see mostly dry all the way through next Wednesday now as we get closer to 80 by Wednesday. There is a chance of some showers and thunderstorms both Thursday and Friday next week with higher humidity. And then here we go. Start to warm things up, mid and upper 70s to mid and upper 80s to near 90 degrees by the following Monday. I think that's when the summer-like weather will really kick on in, just like the allergies out here on the weather deck.
Yeah, I was about to say, George, this is 2 days in a row for you on the struggle bus out there.
Yeah, a lot of wind, just stirring up all that pollen out here.
Yeah, time of year. Thank you, George.